welcome back to the vlog. Today is gonna be something very interesting. I've always wanted these, but I never got them, and I'm super excited to team up with JDCustoms to bring this video to you guys. They sent me their new recently fabricated quick release front bumper kit. So a lot of you guys already have the front bumper kit for the sides that are right here on the car, but JD actually came up with ones that are in the front of the car. So we're gonna go ahead and install those today. Then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this car because she is filthy and I need to give her some TLC. So we're gonna jump on that right now. And I also, who's in the back?
Hi.
Miguel DSM is here. He's gonna be
just help out
helping me.
Too.
Yeah, he's gonna be doing his own video. So we're gonna get started on that right now. So we have two kits here. We have the front bumper support quick release kit for the side, and then we have the front bumper quick release kit for the core support. So that's the one in front. So there's two different ones. So luckily John actually has some installation notes on here, so you can actually see step by step on how to install each kit. It has a little QR code where you can just scan with your phone, and if you have any questions you can actually email him himself and or text him or call him, which is actually really helpful. So right now we're just gonna go ahead and scan it. Let's see. Alright. Ooh. So luckily the instructions are actually linked up to a YouTube video. It's funny because I literally learned everything on this car based on YouTube. So we're gonna start off by taking these bolts down here off, and then I'll show you guys exactly what we have to do to get the bracket on here and to drill the bumper basically.
What are you currently doing?
I'm taking off these 10mm bolts on the side which hold the headlight and I don't even know what this is for. Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's for the fender.
Oh, it is. I feel it. Yeah, so we're taking off these bolts right here, and then we're gonna place the bracket on for the side kit first.
Shout out to EVO 9. That's his video right here.
This. You use the old hardware that you have.
You good?
Yeah.
You struggling or not?
My hands are sweaty.
Your hands are sweaty. It is super hot today.
Yeah. So right now we're putting on these bolts specifically that came with the kit. They're Allen key bolts that we're gonna go ahead and basically substitute those other 10mm bolts. If you don't have an Allen key, you can use that 10mm bolt back on there, but since he gave you brand new bolts, might as well replace them. Huh? Did you say?
What? Hmm?
Oh, this one's missing a bolt already.
Wow.
Makes it easier.
Wow, Marissa.
Okay, so right now I already bolted on the bracket itself. We're leaving this loose so we can go ahead and adjust it basically on how far we're gonna have it sticking off the bumper. But this is basically how it works. You just stick it on there and it clips on, and then you press the button and it releases it. So it's literally a quick release. So super excited. And we're gonna start drilling the bumper now. So on this specific kit for the front core support, you're actually gonna have to drill a new hole starting here. I thought we were gonna have to drill through, you know, a regular existing hole, but there's no hole here, so we're gonna actually have to mock it up and drill a hole ourselves.
She broke her drill. It's currently.
We don't know that.
It's currently smoking.
It's barely smoking. Apparently, it's not built for stuff like this.
Yeah, we also don't have the right drill.
Apparently, it's not built for drilling.
Oh, it's overheating. Damn. It's like your EVO. So what are we gonna do now?
Gonna go buy proper tools.
Let's go. Just made it to Harbor Freight.
We need this bit.
You want that bit?
Or this one.
Oh yeah, that one's probably the best. But we have to get a drill that fits this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This.
You want that instead?
Yeah, I'm gonna get this. But then, yeah, is this gonna fit with this though? Because it's a bit. It's not.
So we got the goods. starting to feel like one of my vlogs, not even you. You're not even talking. But yeah, let's get back to the house and finish up installing this JD Customs quick release kit. And we're back at the illest EVO garage.
You gotta cut that part out. That's my code.
Alright, let's get back to finishing this thing up.
Yeah.
So you're gonna start drilling the hole from the inside and then go to the outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is nerve-wracking.
I know.
But something that I've got.
Because I feel like it's good to have though.
What?
Just the quick release.
Oh yeah, this thing's always breaking down.
Yeah, facts. Oof. Why are you so fine?
On camera. Just don't look at my hands. That's like the ugliest thing about me.
Your hands?
Yeah.
Because you work in your car.
Ugly.
That's all good. To cars, I feel like it's actually attractive because you could work on yourself.
Yeah, this one freaking hurt. I didn't even know that happened.
That's when you did your turns or what?
I have no idea how I got that. I don't even remember.
Boom. That easy.
Oh my god, there's a hole in my bumper. Oh goodness.
All done.
There's a hole.
She's basically trying to tighten this guy right here. So just to make sure that this piece never comes back off and it actually stays on the bumper.
This is perfect.
Found it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna focus on pretty much setting up these brackets. What you're gonna do is place it basically right here to where the bracket sits like this, and the bumper is basically gonna sit on this portion of the bracket right here. So first step is to remove the bolt where the AC condenser thing went.
The AC condenser is connected to these bolts.
Yes, correct.
You
So
said AC condenser thing.
let's show them real quick.
I'm trying. Let's see. Okay.
Alright, now this one goes right there.
Just in case you don't get the holes right.
Alright, so this side. Alright, so now it pretty much holds on its own. We do have to make some adjustments so that way it just sits proper. But as you guys can see, it really just pops right off. Everything's still loose, so it's not done. So we're gonna finish it up and show you guys the finished product in a bit.
So now I finished up with the car. I did some minor details to it. I went ahead and I put my hood vent on. So this is the actual OEM hood vent from my OEM hood, but the one that I got from VIS that came with it flew off when I was driving on the freeway. So I had to basically fabricate it and drill holes in my carbon hood in order for it to fit properly on there. I cleaned up the headlights, so I restored them. And then I also added my little antenna. It's carbon. So I added my little carbon antenna on there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a quick wash right now with some chemical guy stuff that I have, and I'm gonna get it nice and shiny.